Welcome to Just Born.
Ready for your VIP tour?
Not the car, Evan.
Just Born got its name because it was candy so fresh, it was like it was just born. So there's a lot of opportunities. Anything that you would want to do, you really can find in manufacturing. What makes Just Born unique is its sweet people, its dedication to the community. Just Born invests in its people. It wants to see us grow, and I'm really proud to be a part of it.
It takes a lot of skill, a lot of talent. Our people need to care about what we do. We are counting on you to be the next generation of people that work here.
Let's get cracking. Woo-wee! So fresh.
After the NID makes the center, we put what we call a jacket on it to make it look and taste like a Mike. And I took interest in manufacturing well, at a young age. My whole family, that's what they did. In manufacturing, it's solid. You need something for longevity. It's good for that. The best part about my job is knowing that I'm making something that somebody's going to enjoy. It's going to bring happiness to them. Because you don't know where that box of candy is going to go.
I've been here 24 years now, and I wish I could be here for another 40 years. I like to see what the customer, they look for. And it's like, wow, look at this bag, look how nice it is. They like that stand-up bag, I run that bag. To me, that makes me feel good.
Watch this.
Whoa!
I kind of fell into my manufacturing career in my 30s when I decided to change from being a chef and restaurant manager to being a food scientist. Manufacturing is really cool. Most people don't understand what is involved to develop things that they eat and use on a daily basis. And once people see how much goes into it, they're just amazed. To get into a manufacturing career, you just have to be excited about helping people. Anything where you like to make and create definitely works within a manufacturing environment.
As you can see, truly the real magic in manufacturing comes from the people who do the work. And we are so lucky here at Just Born. We think we have the sweetest workforce and the greatest workforce to do the job. So truthfully, the magic is always in the people.
That's the magic of manufacturing.
Just Born, where the magic is truly in the people.